Hello guys, and welcome back to C's Creation. Um, as I promised, I'm here with the flower tutorial. And guys, forgive me for the lateness of the tutorial, but if you look, I made all of these flowers, guys, and these are the ones I made previously. On the left, I made previously. On the right, I recently made. Okay, so for this tutorial, you're going to need a lightweight chipboard or thick cardstock. You're going to cut it into a square or circle, whatever you would like. You're going to need to cut out. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me start with what you're going to need. Okay, so you're going to need some scissors or die cutting machine. You're going to need your lighter. It don't matter which ones, but this one sometimes tend to be the easiest in flicking this one because your thumb really gets sore after a while using this one, or you can get the long neck pliers as well. You can and you'll also need satin fabric and your choice of colors. So I didn't pull out the pink or the other blue. As you can tell, these two blues are very different. And guys, these doesn't have centers. Like I said, I just made these. But like I said, these two blues are very different. One is like a robin's egg, and one is like a Tiffany blue. So you will need that. You will need, if you're working with a die cutting machine, or big shot or anything like that, you will need a circle die, and you will need to cut your fabric into 2.5, excuse me, 2.5 or 2.5 inch squares, and you'll need a 2 inch circle die to run them through your machine. If not, if you do not have that, what you can do is you get your 2 inch punch and punch out a 2 inch circle, and fussy cut just cut out your fabric with your scissors or rotary cutter. And what I did to make mine go faster, guys, is it's already folded. So I fold it in half again, like so, and then cut. So that'll give me four squares per row, and I will get five in one row in this fabric. So you see the missing cut here is because I messed up on one petal and I had to cut it again. So let me move this fabric out the way, and guys, get satin. If you go to Hobby Lobby, they have them for four 99, and sometimes they have it 30% off each satin fabric. But if they're not on sale, you can use your 40% off coupon. So after you cut your circles, what you're going to do is take your lighter and you're going to um, singe all the edges so it won't fray. After you've done that to all of your circles, and you cut out your piece here to go in the back of your flower, you will also need things for the center of your flower. Okay, guys, for your center, you would need some gems or anything that you would like to add. And I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, and they look like this. They're very dimensional. as you can see, and these hearts here. Or you can use this, and this is from I believe I got this at Joann's a while back. And these come from Hobby Lobby, as I said. Or you can use these flowers here as your center. Or you can use even these blue ones here. And again, these come from Hobby Lobby. You can use these flowers here. Or you can use the purple. Or you can go to Hobby Lobby and get these beautiful beads here and use them as a center. But you will need to use the biggest ones, guys. So, and I'm just showing you a variety of what you can use. So yeah. So some variety for all of y'all. And you have these gems here. I use this in the center. And then you have this one here. And I have this one. So, and there are different sizes in here. And you can use these gems. And they came from Michaels. So guys, with all that out of the way, now that you cut your piece of chipboard, lightweight chipboard or heavy cardstock, what you're going to do is take your circle, and on the wrong side, guys, you're going to find your middle, and you're going to add, you're going to find your middle and just add touch of glue, not much. Just use what's on your tip, and you're going to fold this in half. Pinch it. That'll secure that hold in place. And what you do then is add just a line here, small line right there, and you're going to fold it again. You're going to pinch the end, and this will give you your petal. So I'm going to do that for you one more time. Go in the center. You're going to fold it. Pinch. Add a line of glue here. You're going to fold it in half again. Make sure the ends does meet, and you're going to pinch it for your petal. Okay. Now I have made all the other petals that you see here. Let me bring that. I have made all the other petals here, as you see. And what I'm going to do is start gluing them on. So, so guys, when you glue your petal on this side here, you have two sides. You have a split side, and you have a, solid side. What you're going to do when you glue, you're going to always make sure your solid side goes right by your split side. This will give your flower definition. You don't want to do it like this because your flower would look wonky. So, I'm sorry, guys. Thought I could, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to take my hot glue. And then I'm going to glue it down. And then I'm just going to add some hot glue again. But I'm going to add it here. Make sure you spread it around so it won't, your gunk won't get everywhere. And you're going to take it, like I said, solid to split. There we go. We're going to glue it down and we're going to keep going around until we have that full, circle. Yeah, that full circle of your flower. Again, spread that glue around. Sorry guys. And then you just add your next flower. Just like so. And then you come in. With this one, I don't suggest you just putting it on the glue there. I suggest you put it on the back of your petal. After you put it on the back of your petal, you just adhere it down like that. I'm sorry guys, because I was all out frame. Wait, it's kind of wonky, so I'm going to have to, yeah, push it down. Okay, so that the openings, and there's your flower. There's your flower. All you're going to do is just make sure when you do your flower, your solid goes with the split. Solid goes into by the split, and so forth. And you're just going to glue it all around. When you are done, when you're done with your flower, what you're going to do is you're going to find a center that you would like to use. And so, I want to use, let's see, let's look at this one. Oh my gosh, if it would stay still. See, I don't want to glue it down, then I don't like it, and then, so yeah guys, this will be your flower. I may have to take that one apart and then re-glue it because this is looking a little wonky. So what I am excuse me, what I am going to do is take this gem that I already have here, and I want to take a white flower and I want to stick it here. Oh no, I need a bigger one because I do not like the size of that. It's kind of wonky. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. I am getting a new mount. Soon, so we won't have to have this problem. So yeah, I think I like that better. So I'm going to add this as my center, and I'm going to glue it on. Just add a little glue on the back of your center and glue it in place, and you have your flower. there you go. It's easy peasy. And look at the dimension that your flower has. So yeah, guys, this is it for my tutorial. Sorry about the camera, about the mount and everything. But just another span so you can see the different colors I worked with, um, that I'm working with. I just love them, guys. I absolutely love these flowers that I made. So these are my colors. So thank you all for tuning in, and I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Be safe. Bye.